0904 cheered X5.
Hello, 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 hello. What's good, everybody? Yo. Okay, how do I say this? Jeepers, thank you very much for the 3 months, my brother. Hello, everybody. Hello, Jason over on YouTube. Morning, oh, it's not morning anymore. It's actually lunchtime. Good afternoon. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We will be doing some more Whakairo today. Some more Maori wood carving, as we did yesterday as well. Hope everyone is looking after themselves. Hope everyone had a solid New Year's celebration. It's time to lock in. Time to lock in. Hey, kia ora, Jiggy. Hope you had a good New Year's too. I saw your message on Insta as well. Hope you're doing good too. Thank you very much to Norris for the biddies as well. Let me just grab one more thing. Forgot the carving. Alrighty. This is all we're up to. This is what we've been up to. Just doing the body right now. We'll focus more on the legs today. Try and get those all cleaned out. And we should be good. I may have forgotten to draw up the other side. I should have done that ages ago. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Oh well. Man forgot. But hey, everything's gonna carry on anyway. Happy New Year's, guys. Salary Man, thank you for the 14 months. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother Salary Man, for the 14 as a tier 1. Happy New Year, my brother. Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's. What's up, Skylar, over on the tube? Did you have a good Christmas? Yeah, bro. Was surrounded by, you know, family and friends. My kids got to spend their Christmas with their great-great-great-grandfather. Yeah. So, yeah, that was genuinely a moment I was grateful for them to be, you know, able to spend time with him. Hey, what up, Super, over on Grove Street? What's up, my brother? Happy New Year's, my brother. Hope you had a good New Year's too, my bro. Okay, that is us. Ready to roll. Hello, brother Stefan. So we're live on 4 platforms ATM. So let's get into it, eh? Let's run it. Clean up some more. And then we'll be all good. Oh! Lakobe, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1 and welcome to the stream, my bro. Sorry, let me just get this ready. Hope everyone had a solid New Year's though. A very, very good New Year's. Man, the firecrackers here for New Year's, man, absolutely shit. They were shit as. Right, there we go. Oh, you off already? Super. Oh well, have a good one, brother. Thanks for dropping in, my bro. Here we go. This is us. This is us. Happy New Year, guys. Juddy, thank you very much for the pity. Alright, let me get my blocks real quick. Alright, mate. Looking damn sharp. Oh, I feel good, my bro. You know, nothing's really changed in terms of like the diet. Sticking to it, my bro. Making sure I feel good as well. Juddy, thank you very much. And Kieran as well. That's the one thing I didn't want to break, my bro, was my diet. Like, obviously, over Christmas I did, you know, indulge on stuff outside of my diet, but at the same time, you know, all in moderation. Didn't go completely overboard. But yeah, got a lot of things that I want to try and do this year. I hope everyone else does as well, so got to try and make that happen. Gonna try and go extra hard this year, whānau. Because I got some plans, I do. I got some plans. And I really, really am gonna try and gun for them. Hold on, I'm just looking for chisels that I need real quick and then we can carry on. Jeepers, not too many. I'll be honest, I don't even have that much chisels. Okay. So yeah, pretty much the plan, I've put up all my my to-do list for the year. And we'll see how that goes as the year unfolds as well. But one of my big focuses this year is going to be YouTube. Have you got a PO box yet? No, I don't, brother. Just ask. I noticed the Eagles shirt. Thought maybe you were a fan. I am a fan of Jordan. He's the reason why I support the Eagles. Yeah, he's my favorite player, brother. I just love, you know, the way he is as a person. Upbringing as well. Diet tracking is difficult. It can be, but once you get into it, you just... I don't want to stop. I feel good. Even later today, I want to go for a hike. Thank you very much. Couldn't care less for the gifty, my bro. What's up, Seb by the campfire? When you see food, you eat it, I guess. Good old Joker right there. So we're going to be cleaning this side up. Still a bit high. Like there's still sections that could be taken down a bit more. But we're going to take it as we go. And then eventually we will start marking out the other side as well. So we'll try and do that this week, sorry. This week and the next. Yeah, try and make some big progress this week. That's what I want to do anyway. Make some real big progress, and then we should be good. Thank you very much, Edzy. Are you in New Zealand? Yes, I am. I crave sweets and I have to remind myself all the time, but true. Gave out the cards on sugar about a week ago and a half ago, so it's a bit rough. Yeah, especially when you make that big transition, eh? Like going cold turkey can be a bit hard, or even just like, you know, cutting down on portions of it as well can be a good transition too. But I'm pretty much the same, just go cold turkey on it, on the whole thing. What's up, Macon? Love the niche. What's that? How do you amend the mistake? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. There's always going to be a way around it. There's a couple methods you could do. If you have the timber there, you know, shave it down, do it again. Or do what I did on my first carvings on Twitch. I didn't tell anyone till the end. What are you working on? So we're currently working with pine. Yeah, pretty basic timber, but it's not bad. It's all good. So all I'm doing right now is just getting rid of all these all these marks that we use with the round. Just getting it all, you know, kind of clean, and then we'll carry on from there. Just making sure we get all of it done. Egg, thank you very much for the manawas, and Delirious with the popular. What's up, Mystic? I heard ginger does not sound great. Oh no, I know there's a trend going online there. People are eating like ginger raw. That's a no thank you for me. That's a bit out the gate for me. But I just started on calorie deficit, and then I've changed it up a little bit as well. Remember you from years ago? What's up, brother Mo? How many years have I been doing this? I think like 22, right? What's your favorite part of woodworking? Seeing it all unfold, my bro. Just the whole process of it all. That's always been my favorite thing about it. Another wild music in the back. Yeah, but I gotta play something safe while we're live on the tube, my bro. They do be a bit stricter with the music stuff, but I mean game music is pretty safe. While streaming live on the tube. In March we'll be doing a bit more classic WoW as well when OnlyFans starts up again, and Midnight too. I think Midnight's this month, right? Potoma, thank you very much. Thank you, Praise. Hold up. Oh. Thank you, Sun, for the rose. Yeah, so we're just getting rid of all of these round marks here. What's up, Dark? How are you, brother? I haven't been sick in ages and my wife and it's my second month. W. Oh my days, what was that? Kia ora te whata, how are you? Wood cooperating today, very much so, my bro. Very much so. Hey, cheerio, brother, Old Destroyer. It was nice to meet you, my bro. Kai and H, thank you for the roses. Was good to meet you over at the crossing, my bro. Hey, we were guessing after the avatar, eh? Went to the mount for the firecrackers. Eh, they were all in Tauranga. Not the watching across the sea. Ryan, thank you for the 5 roses, my brother. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, guys. I have it for when I go for runs. Don't you have to pay for Strava, though? That's why I haven't gotten it. Any really hardwoods in NZ, like what we have in the States? Yeah, we have the a few hard timbers from Rata, which is this one. This is Rata here. We have Maori, which is another. And also we have one called Puriri as well. Yeah, there's a variety of hard timber we have. No, oh, I thought you had to pay for Strava, eh? Was Avatar any good? Oh, that's the second time I've seen it, my bro. Yo, Black Panther, thank you very much for the follow over on Grove Street, my bro. SFA and H, thank you very much for the gifties. Yeah, first time I watched it was with my big girl. Me and her are big Avatar fans. And then my wife took my wife to watch it over at the crossing. But you can still use it without paying. Oh, right. Hey, Happy New Year's, brother. Oh, we got another follow. Thingaling, thank you very much for the... Oh my gosh. For the follow over on Grove Street. Out of all the emotes you could have chosen, that's the one you chose. Now I'll forever know you as a degenerate now. Well done. Oh, jeez. Yo, T-Penny, thank you for the 49 roses. How does the wood not split? By not leaving it in the sun, my bro. That's all you have to do. Kia ora from Sydney. Hey, kia ora, William. Cheer, my bro. Hope all is well over there in Australia, my bro. Happy New Year's, there, Red Build Rex. Happy New Year's, my brother. Happy New Year's, everybody. Yeah, I'm off for a bit of a walk this afternoon. Yo, what's up, Laishi? What are you carving out? So at the moment we're just cleaning. We're cleaning this piece here. So what we're currently working on is a hay tiki. So the sections here, so we've got one arm there, leg and a leg there. So we're just kind of cleaning all of this out, and then eventually we'll look over it again and see what else we need to clean, because we still have one other side to do as well. Joe from Texas? Yeah, kia all the way from Texas, eh? Real Zenith and Matthew, thank you very much for the aroha. What you doing all the way in Texas, my bro? Lisha, appreciate you. Happy New Year's, pal. Yeah, Happy New Year's to everyone watching right now. Thank you very much, brother H. Have you ever gotten a Galaxy? Yes, I have. I hope everyone had good celebrations. They stayed safe as well. Didn't get up to too much mischief, I hope. Unknown, thank you very much for the manawa, and H as well. What's up, Odin? Happy New Year's from the USA. Happy New Year's, brother Pyro. Happy New Year's, brother Valoon. How are you, my bro? Okay. There's just that section there now. We're in Durata. Hey, what's up, live Paul Stewart? How you, Charlie H, brother? Thank you very much for the 220 roses, my bro. And Elisha with the donut. Girl, I would love one, but I'm on a calorie deficit. Appreciate you, though. What's up from Brazil? Kia ora, brother. Happy New Year's, Brox. Hope you're having a wonderful 2026. Good luck and cheers. Cheer, brother Alex, over on YouTube. Appreciate you, my brother. 2026 is good, going good so far, my bro. Just been spending time with the fams majority of the time, brother, before I get back into haka practice next week. Not looking forward to it because, you know, it kind of cuts down time spent with the kids during the holidays, but it is what it is, you know. There's still a lot of timber here that needs to come out. Can you show us some of the things you have finished? Sure. A moment. So I've actually done one Hey Tiki before this. Let me go and get it, eh? Yo, relaxing sausages. Thank you for the 2 bomb, my bro. If you got a gifted sub on Twitch, please say thank you. Okay, I appreciate you. One moment, I'll just go and get a few things. Okay, so we have a few things here to show. Okay, got a few. This is one of them. Yo, Tristan and Thomas, thank you very much for the roses, bros. Let me go back just in case I missed something. Oh my days. Thank you, the Ruby, as well for the roses. Is it Honey? Honey as well. And Wool, brother Unknown Spy. Thank you for the Galaxy, my bro. Hey, appreciate you, brother. H again with the roses. Going back a bit more. I think we're good now. Hey, thank you very much, Unknown, and Whakairo as well. Oh my gosh. Oh, and Eminem, thank you very much for the 5 bomb on Twitch as well. Thank you, Fana. Jeez, you're too bloody kind. Happy New Year's. So this is one piece that we've done. Oh, here's trouble. What you want? Hold on. Pardon? Where's Slushy?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't clean your fella's corner because you get mad at me. Wanna say hi to everybody? Okay, call out. Let's go. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I don't know where Slushy is, dummy.
Slushy the snail.
Maybe he crawled out and went.
Slushy the snail.
I know you had a pet snail, but I don't know where he is now.
Where did you put her?
I didn't touch your pet snail. Okay, story time. So my daughter, she found a dried up snail. Obviously it was, oh, Claudius, thank you very much for the galaxy. Whoa, Unknown with another one too. Neppy with the 47 roses. Thank you very much to Claudia and Unknown and Neppy as well. You can calm down now. Thank you very much for the aroha. So, story time. My daughter found a empty snail shell. Was dried up from the sun. Obviously it was dead and she called it Slushy. Okay, so she had the snail shell remnants for about a month. And then they went to their nan and Corals and we done a spring clean. I may have thrown Slushy's remains in the bin. My bad. You don't need to know that though. Alright. So this is what we've done so far. Thank you very much to Kai for the rose as well. And Claudies too. Yo, Eminem, thank you for the 5 bomb, bro. If you got one of those, please give the bro a thank you. Like 2 months ago. Is she? Oh shit, my bad. Yo, Black Thunder, thank you for the 64 months, my bro. Whoops. Go and eat your noodles inside, you monkey. You're done. Oh well, I'm working, so get away. So this is one piece that we've done right here, brother. This is a wheku. I will most likely be giving this one away this month. Because someone is making me a Stetson cowboy hat. So I know the value of a cowboy hat and I think, yeah, I'll probably just give the bro this carving without him knowing. So that's probably what I'm going to do is just give him this. So this is a wheku, W-H-E-K-U is how you spell it. And you'll mainly find a wheku on the apex of our meeting houses. Sometimes they're standalone carvings as well. But these are normally the faces of our ancestral meeting houses. We have 3 different faces that we do. So wheku, this one. And then we have a ruru and a koruru, which are the other 2. So yeah, just some pawa inlay here, or abalone. Just to kind of bring it out some more, as you can see. There you go. Yo, Prodigy, thank you very much, brother. So this is one carving that we've done. And I think I'll be letting this one go this month. It only makes sense. If the bro's going to give me a hat for free, I give him something in return too. Cuz, do you cut the pounamu yourself? No, I don't have the facilities to cut pounamu at all. Oh, paua. Yeah, just break it with my hand and then clean it with a sandpaper. Yo, thank you for the 200 biddies, my bro. So this is one. This is a wheku that I've done. Put this to the side. Okay, so something else we've done as well. Thank you for the hype train as well, Whānau. Level 3 with 2 minutes and 14 seconds. So this is something we're doing as well. So this is a hay tiki here, just one that I've done for fun. You can see there. So this is made out of rata, which is a hard timber. So we're doing something similar with this one, but obviously it's a bit bigger, as you can see. Right there. So I'll do a bit of a close-up there. So you can see the colouring on the head is a bit different, especially over here, because of the grain change. So that's the specific reason why. There you go. So you can see within this particular carving we've done 2 different forms on the body. One's round, one's much more square. So that was just me having a bit of fun, you know, doing the 2 different forms that are done on a tiki. I wanted to put both of them together and see what it looked like, and this is what we come up with, this one here. And we did the design taratara akoi. So traditionally this is what the design would look like, the curvilinear styled design. And this is a more, you know, this is just me trying to fit it in the squarer side, so for you guys too. And even on the face there, I dug it out, as opposed to having the ridge. So there on the face there, I dug it out, kept the same kind of shape, but dug the ridge out. That one there. So yeah, a lot of interest in this. I don't know, geez, how much would I sell this for? I'd probably put it on a base first before I start thinking about pricing, because this on its own is kind of, you know, meh. So I'll most likely get or make a stand for it too. Thought there was a pretzel. Go and get a pretzel, you must be hungry. Got a box, I see someone on Facebook using the machine to carve. Oh yeah, you know, it's not something that was ever gonna not happen. You know, as times move on, yeah, there's modern tools out there that people are gonna use, and you know, just have a go at, because that's naturally how our people are. We're tutus. We like to touch things, and try and incorporate our own forms into all this modern technology that there is. Let me just put this one to the side. This is another one we have, that I've done. So this is like a smaller version of a popo, or 2-dimensional carving. Yo, Jackson, thank you for the car pies. Thank you, my bro. So that one there. This is done in Te Arawa style. So within our culture we have multiple different tribes that don't all carve the same. So they have their own specific tribal style. So not every tribe amongst our people carve the same, speak the same dialect as well. So there's different variants of our language too. What culture is this? Maori. Maori culture. So we're the indigenous people of Aotearoa, or New Zealand. Thank you, Ryan and Son, for the aroha. Yeah, so this one here, we did this ages ago. This was just for fun. Give you a close up there. There you go. Kia ora Shogun, ka te pēa koe. So that's one that we've done. Yeah, we did this ages ago. Pretty much. But this one's made out of Cody as well. Yeah, and then you got the Stasi S on the back there. So yeah, that's pretty much what I get up to on my stream or on any of my channels. If you haven't already, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Kick, Twitch, and Facebook. Now I recently made a Facebook page too. I've got 23 followers, so I'm winning. Rory, thank you very much for the galaxy, bro. He's a bloody crazy, my friends, crazy. Thank you very much for the Aroha and Blank Vibes. Thank you very much for the clam. Or the shell energy, sorry. So, with the current piece that we have, this is actually pine. Rory again! Jeepers! So how do you start if you want to get into this? Well, it's really up to you. Make your own bench, buy your own bench, get your own tools. When I started, I made my own bench out of 3 pellets, and I didn't have a clamp, so I got like 2 sets of timber, put one there, and just one across where I could slot it into a corner and just carve away. So I just had my 3 pellets, you know, turned one over, cut 2 sections out and slotted the other 2 in, made some braces on the side, and I was away. What iwi does Taratarakai come from? From the east coast. You'll see it there a lot, but then again, you'll see a lot of references, or you'll see it being used by other tribes too. Like there's a carving here, so I'm in Rotorua, so Te Arawa. There's oh my gosh, Blank Vibes with another galaxy with 2. Jeepers, my bro. Did you end up giving it back? Yes, I tried to, but Twitch said no. Nice try though. I'll just tell you the truth. Thank you, Tobias. Wait, was there Tobias? No, it wasn't. It was Blank Vibes. Oh, and the Dark King. Hey, you a One Piece fan? Yo, Max, thank you very much as well, brother. And language literally been 120 years and work more in the south than the north. It's modern and has adapted to the times. In the south we speak it. Don't have words of the same. Oh, bro, in Tūhoe it's still as old as it always has been. Like, people say that Tūhoe's dialect is one of the oldest. Hold up, our thing just stopped playing. Like even when it comes to like, you know, all these modern words that are coming out in our language, our tribe just still sticks to the ones we have. So I'm from Tūhoe in Te Arawa, but I was brought up in Tūhoe more. Like I'm from Ngāti Pro as well, but I don't acknowledge that because, you know, I wasn't brought up there, so I don't really say it that much, eh? And you got those people that, you know, I'm from every single tribe in the whole bloody country. You're like, holy hicka, how? Bro, did you voice Thor? No, I did not voice Korg, my bro. Blank Vibes, thank you very much, and Havaran as well. And Philly Roll. No, I did not voice Korg, my friend. What's up, Vanguard? Yeah, I did not voice Korg, bro. That was Taika Waititi. I wouldn't mind trying to get on Avatar, though. Another work, I'm sorry I don't got... Bro, what, you don't need to say sorry for that, brother. You're here, you're chilling, you're talking. Don't ever say sorry for that kind of stuff. That goes to anyone. There's no rule saying that you have to donate while watching. Just come and watch. Get you some lunch while you do so. Do you have a place where you sell your carvings? No, I do everything through my email or through any of my socials. I don't really like having a shop. It takes away, the opportunity to make a genuine connection with someone for me. Yeah, that's just, call me old fashioned, but that's just how I like to roll. I'd rather make a connection over a transaction any day. Because those last for, life. Cupcakes, and how come you got no names? Yeah, he's got no names on your fella's TikTok accounts. Yeah, he's got no names, so I don't know what I'm... Thank you very much, No Names Hoveron, thank you very much, and Kit Bash as well. Wait, Kit Bash, isn't that like that thing that you do on Hero Forge? Have you made anything from anime yet? No, but I have been asked to create Android 18 with no clothes on. I told that guy there's websites for that, and then I blocked him on my email. Don't be weird. Yeah, that was one of the first requests I ever got. Don't be coming like that in, in my emails. That's just... You're lucky I wasn't a smart ass back then, because I would have screenshotted that shit and put it on all my bloody socials. I make Warhammer. Oh, you make minis, bro. But I want to get into that too. I had the opportunity to do it at PAX in Australia, but I just got caught up with other stuff, my bro. Concaridons and the salamanders are my favourite. Go birds. Just your finished ones? I already have. So lovely to listen to. Joke, bro. Yeah, I like the Concaridons and the salamanders. You probably know why I like the salamanders, for obvious reasons. Oh my!
Anonymous tipped $10. My mother passed away on the 9th of December. I've tried so hard to keep it together, and you have helped a lot with you just being here.
Well, congratulations, sir. You've made it to the 1st or the 2nd of January. You didn't have to donate to say that to me, brother. You could have DM'd me. Or sis. But yes, that is definitely a hard thing to go through in life. This is what I'll say to you. Keep living your life. Just remember, Mum carried you in parts of your life. Now it's time for you to do the same for her. Start focusing on you. Do not forget about, all the things that Mum did for you. You're doing very well for where we are in the year right now. So whatever it is you're doing, keep it up. Start trying to, change your surroundings too. One thing that can make us stay in, constant battle with our own minds is our surroundings as well. Waking up to the same thing every day. That can be a trigger as well. So I want to say good job to you, whoever you are, Anonymous. You did not have to give me $10 just to say that too. Just want to make it clear, okay? I appreciate you. And keep going. See you at practice next week, my mate. Hey, see you there, my bro. Fuck, better go through the more tilted. Hey. I genuinely miss it, my bro. Straight up. Thank you, Lil Edgy, for the cart pie. And Bill, Jimmy, and Carter. Okay, So we want to clean up in here. Happy New Year's, guys. Salamanders are the only chapter I know of that help humans, just so they help. So that's you all over, bro. Yeah, I love the salamanders. Eh? And isn't Vulcan a perpetual as well? What is that emoji? Yo, Christian, thank you very much for the roses, and Bill J Lama for the star. Go Birds, baby, go Birds. You had a rough couple games last year, bro, but hui hui. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. Alright. I need to give me a... I don't really treat myself, chat. So I might treat myself to a Jordan Mailata shirt. Is this pre-recorded? Yes, Just Jack. This is a VOD. Beat the Bills. Yeah, that was by 1 point, eh? I keep missing the games because I get so caught up in other stuff. What's up, Martin? How are you, my brother? Yo, Cam, thank you very much for the manawas, my bro. Happy New Year's, brother, and Happy New Year's, brother. 1 point is all we need by the Go Birds. That's right. Yeah, I want to try and go to a Birds game one day in life. I'd love to go to a Birds game one day. What part of New Zealand are you in? I live in the Bay of Plenty in a town called Rotorua. You probably already know it. If you do, if you don't, it smells like rotten eggs, brother, due to all the sulphur. Also, all the geothermal pools and tunnels are all connected to Yellowstone, so if they go up first, we've got a couple moments to get out. Just a little bit of useless information there. Yeah, I'm an Eagles fan because of Jordan. Thank you, big dude, for the roses. What's up, Scooby? Hey, Reggie. Also, I've been thinking of watching that, what's that weird program or that weird movie? And the robot animals are clapping everyone. And Shaggy's the bad guy. Is that a bit of a rabbit hole franchise? If it is, I don't want to watch it. 5 Nights. Yeah, is that any good? I had Corey Kinchin's on there. Yo, King Tiger, my brother. Hope you're well, my bro. You already know. Is it a bit of a rabbit hole franchise to get into? It was hard to see Shaggy as the bad guy, because I've only ever known him as Shaggy. Yeah, it was a bit hard. Yo, Harry and JG, thank you very much for the roses. Do you sell, my friend? You make me sound like someone that sells the naughty stuff when you say, do you sell? Are you master? Where you from? Ben? I'm from Aotearoa, my bro. Do you sell? It was also It's a Very Bad Day in the original Scream movie. Man, I'll be honest, I've never watched a Scream movie. Closest thing I ever got to it was Scary Movie. And that was bad too. Oh, my kid's arguing with her mother. Can't believe it's almost been 1 year since she was born. Last year went by pretty fast. Yeah, this is wow music. After your last story about old mate wanting a naked robot, we know you sell some weeb carvings on the side. Bro, if I ever did weeb carvings, I'd keep them for my damn self. I'd never have to waste money on anime statues. But I wouldn't buy those anyway, bro. They're cool and all, but you know, in the long run, yeah. I've seen you pop up on my FYP since the first viral video of you trying to give the subs back. How you been, brother Cody? How long does it take you to do carvings usually? Off stream? A matter of weeks, my bro. On stream, obviously, yes, it does take a little bit more time. Because I like doing a bit of this on the side too. Pretty much, my brother. But all we're doing for today is pretty much a chill stream, cleaning. Cleaning is what we got to do today. Just cleaning all this before we turn it over and do the other side. What are we doing? We are creating a heitiki. So at the moment you'll see the 2 arms, the body, and the leg. So we're just cleaning all that up before we start the other side. So it is going to be somewhat double-sided. Thank you, Ben Wild and Anthony. Thank you very much, Whānau. So the next few months are going to be pretty busy. Like weekends, weekdays as well. It's going to be a real busy one. But I might download Strava before I go for my walk today. I didn't know you could use it for free, eh? But then again, I know you have to pay for it. Yo, Carlos, yeah, I've been an Eagles fan since Jordan got drafted, my bro. Ever since Jordan, my bro. Don't know him personally, but a fan of his come up. For sure, my bro, for sure. If you don't mind me asking, can you explain your moko? Yeah, sure. Okay, just gonna explain my moko on my arm, whānau. If you don't know what a moko is, it's the markings on my arm. Jordan Mailata is universally loved here. Bro, that's cool. That's cool, bro. That is genuinely cool that he's, you know, loved that much over there. Thank you very much for the combos, my bro. So this is my arm here. So I got this done when I was 30, so about 4 years ago, pretty much. What it represents is my family, where I'm from, and what I do every day within my life, which is Whakairo, Maori wood carving. So to those that don't know, I've been doing traditional Maori wood carving since I was 12. And now I'm 34 years old. So where I normally start, okay, is where my family is located. So right at the top here, over here, this is my grandfather, right here, and that's my grandmother. So these two very pivotal figures in my upbringing in life. And then we have my mum over here. So all 3 of them basically were the ones who made me who I am today. Taught me all the things I know in life, taught me the way I wanted to be. And yeah, my mum pretty much solo carried me through majority of my life. And then eventually I wanted to go and live with my grandparents when she wanted to go and study. Thank you very much, Tank, for the aroha as well, brother. So that's them there. Underneath, this is my sister. So the reason why my sister is underneath is because she's no longer in this world anymore. She passed away at a very young age. And unfortunately for me, I saw it, you know, all unfold in front of me on her last day. And so hence the reason why she's underneath, because, you know, with the eyes that we have in this world, we can't see our loved ones other than a photo. And then on the back here, so this is my wife here. This is my eldest daughter. Our middle child right there. When I'll have to get the baby up the top here. So from my chest right around to my back will be the addition of baby, who was born last year. So that's pretty much all my family, my immediate family, and my own that me and my wife have created. So, you know, every time I'm overseas, you know, they're with me every step of the way. No matter where it is that I go, they'll always be with me. And in between as well, thank you very much for the biddies, my bro. I don't know if you can see it, but that design there, it's called Uno Nahi. And Whakairo, Uno Nahi represents the water and fish scales, you know. Obviously, you know, they're in the sea. With the story for me, that represents Ngā Huru Manu, which is like bird feathers. Bird feathers is what that design represents too, as you know, as it ties to me and where I come from. So I come from this place called Ruatahuna, and I grew up there majority of my life. And picture yourself in the middle of nowhere, mountains all around you, or hills covered in, you know, native forest, and that's pretty much home. I grew up there majority of my life. And so on my arm as well, you'll see a lot of these singular lines there. 1, 2, 3 up there, and 4. So these singular lines represent the mountains where I come from. So those are the mountains there, and also in between my arms are all the kōwhaiwhai that you see. Those represent the rivers that flow through my hometown. So that's pretty much like in our culture we have these things called pepeha, and it's the way we introduce ourselves even to this day. So like ko Manawaru te maunga. Manawaru is my mountain, ko Whakatane te awa, Whakatane is my river, you know. Ko Uwhiarai te marae, Uwhiarai is my marae, ko te painga te hapu, te painga is my sub-tribe, ko Tūhoi te iwi, Tūhoi is my main tribe, ko Mātātua te waka, Mātātua is the canoe I come from. So in a sense, when we did these introductions back in the day, even today, people will know where you're from by the landmarks, the sub-tribe and the main tribe and the canoe you come from. So that's basically, does that mean anything? I'm explaining this moko right now. Thank you, JG. So pretty much as we move on, you know, on this end here you'll see a popo there. So you got the head, the arm, body, legs, and another face there. There you go. To everyone else watching, head, arm, body, legs, and a face there. So that represents the carving side of my life, something that I've been doing all my life, and something I will continue to do into my old age as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all my moko represents. The only add-on I'll be getting is baby inside. So she will be the next addition to my arm. And yeah, that's what my arm represents. Hope that helps. Thank you, JG. It's more than a tattoo. Yeah, brother. So, with Whakairo, with Maori wood carving, it doesn't actually come from a person. It comes from one of our gods, and his name is Tangaroa, the god of the sea. Right down to our moko, our markings. They come from Ruomoko, which is his younger brother. Hey Ginger, thank you very much for the gifted sub, my bro. If you do get a gifted sub on Twitch, make sure you give them a thank you. I've lost my brother on the 16th day. I'm the only one of my siblings to see him after he was gone. My deepest sympathy, bro. I hope you find comfort. Oh, cheer, brother Tobin. Yeah, I'll be honest, bro. I'm pretty open about it, eh? I don't, you know, in the hopes that people open up themselves. That's why, as you know, the person I am, I want to be as open as possible, so people know that, you know, you ain't alone. But genuinely, I've been from my majority of my life when I was young, that that sound of a car, you know, the brakes and then the initial hit, that haunted me for about, when did I How many years between 3 years old and 16? I'm not in the mood to do maths. So, yeah, that much. And even to this day, we still don't know who did it. Unfortunately. And it was actually here in Rotorua as well. On a street called Rimu Street. And it was night time. I remember, crossing the road. And then I hear brakes. Yeah, I remember crossing the road. No one likes maths. That is true. Yeah, I remember crossing the road and I was going home. Then I remember hearing brakes, as I didn't know I was being followed by my sister. And because we were at our grandparents. And I was just going home. And I remember hearing brakes. Then the hit. Then I turned around. Then I saw her in the gutter. And then the next part I remember is my mum. And then her in the ambulance and seeing her birthmark. I was like, fuck. So that moment pretty much haunted me majority of my life. I mean, I still get glimpses of it every now and again. It's just something that I've got to live with for the rest of my life. But growing up too, something I really envied about the people around me, like my cousins, my friends, is that they all had siblings. That is something I longed for growing up, and I never really got that feeling. In saying that though, like seeing my daughters grow up together, it's good to see for them specifically. But yeah, that was probably the one thing that I wished for as a young person, or as a young fella. Just siblings. Yeah, but I'm an only child. My mum still thinks about it now and again, but probably not as much as me. But yeah, that's pretty much something that's gone on in my life since like ever. Hey, much love, modern day Thor. Yeah, so that's why I try and be as open as I can to show people that watch me and, that it may be going through those kind of moments that, this is a nice place for you to open up, okay? We won't judge, we will only help. Much love, Brother Marcus. I want to get a moko around my ankles. What's your thoughts on each ankle? The ankle's not too bad, but yeah, it's up to you. Make sure you know what's going on in your skin. When or how would you get your face tattoo? The mataora? Well, I never really once wanted it one bit. Only when our eldest daughter turned 2. I remember it was a summer's day, we were hot, just lying on the ground, and then my daughter just turns to me and starts drawing on my face. Keep in mind that this kid had never seen a mataora before. And then she started drawing those lines, like very accurate. And I pretty much told her, have you seen these before? And she said, no, I can just see it on your face. And that was a bit freaky. But at the same time, that's just, how a kid is. And then it kind of made me think about it, maybe one day. And then our second daughter, she drew a picture of me with those markings on, who had never seen it before. So it may be something that I might consider later in life, or I might not. I'm that guy, I've got to have reasons to get them. That's why even with this, I got it when I was 30. My main reason for getting it was saying, goodbye to one chapter in my life, my 20s, and then moving on into the next, pretty much. Theon and Stefano, thank you very much for the roses. So yeah, one day maybe. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we'll see. We'll see. We just keep carrying on with life. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my brother. Lots of my friends, most constant, you never be fine with the loss, but you learn to live with it. Pretty much, 6. I 100% agree with that, my brother. You pretty much just learn to live with it. Thank you very... Holy Fion. OG, thank you very much for the roses as well. Fion, god damn. 411, my bro. What's order for your 40th? No, I won't wait that long. If I was to get it, I wouldn't wait that long. Big love from Australia. Hey, what's up, brother? Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Let me turn it around so you can see. Just ran into you at PAX. You made the trip. Hey, cheer, brother. Yeah, it was cool, bro. Met a lot of cool people at PAX. I can't wait to come back this year. Can't wait to come back and enjoy it again. Probably from a, you know, a con goer's perspective this time around. Not so much an exhibitor. Although the exhibitor side of PAX was pretty cool. What's your opinion on English people? Oh, nothing really. I don't really think about other people in my free time. I think about what the hell I'm going to have for dinner. And that usually takes up the rest of the day. Sorry, brother. Were you lucky enough to dodge the PAX virus? Yeah, pretty much. I didn't get sick. Yeah, I didn't get sick one bit. What are you going to have for dinner? Now that is $1 million question, my friend. I'm probably going to have chicken breast. 200 grams of it. Probably some veggies. And... what the hell's that? What is it called? It's not rice. Quinoa. Is that it? I think it's called quinoa. Yeah. Gonna have some quinoa as well. And a heap of them ended up sick. Oh, nah. Joe Dub T. Looking good, my bro. Tēnā koe. I am at old ass shit and I have cake and ice cream if I want. Hey, you deserve that. I'm just trying to, you know, relinquish the amount of love I have in my handles. I sacrificed it to the food lords quite a few times last year. Are you an Eagles fan? I'm both Eagles and Jordan. Is this for me? No. Sorry, brother. This is for Dingo, who redeemed his million channel points. So I gotta do his one first. You need a PO box so I can send you stuff. Depends what kind of stuff would it be. Hopefully not Now if I do a PO box, anyone want to send me a Burmese dog? Nah, that's illegal, ain't it? That's the dog I have my eye on, chat. When we finally get a house. It's either gonna be that or a husky or a Tibetan Mastiff. Why am I choosing big dogs? I have 3 girls. Teenage years are coming up soon, so I want to make sure I am shaped and there's someone on my side for the teens, aka the big dog that's probably going to bite the person jumping through the window. Don't lie, we've all done it. Brothers and sisters. Even I did it, surprisingly. Yeah, but I'm ready for these little bastards. Big dog, big cactus, okay? Big dog and big cactus. So we're double protected on the outside and on the inside. I'm already thinking about these things already. I even considered renewing my gun license and leaving it on the fridge so people can see it. Amen, brother. If I had daughters, don't have worries and accurate. That's why I'm training my daughters to be the big spoons, my friends. My eldest daughter has taken a liking to boxing, and our second girl does jiu-jitsu. I always told my wife that when our first daughter was born, what do you want them to be? Warriors. Happy New Year, Zuchi. Happy New Year's, my brother. Hey, brother Skills. Thank you for the 39 months, my bro. Happy New Year's, my brother. Hope you had a solid one too, my bro. Be able to protect themselves. That's the idea. That's the idea. I'm 6'2", my girlfriend is 5'4", and I always like to be the little spoon. That's one big ass little spoon, brother. But yeah, I mentioned my daughter who does jiu-jitsu got into a bit of a scuffle at school one time. And let's just say those jiu-jitsu classes came in handy. I had to pretend to be disappointed in front of the teacher, but really I was like, yeah, dap me up, dap me up. Yes, I'm that kind of dad. Because I asked her, did you get the armbar or did you get the rear naked choke? He was like, oh, I done the armbar, Dad. I was like, yeah. That's the one. Yo, wait, you guys got the... Wait, Ashton, you're double gifting. My bro is like legit double dipping right now. Thank you, brother Ashton. Happy New Year's, Hype Gary, my brother. Yeah, so me and my daughter, we're gonna go for a roll tomorrow at the gym. She's saying, Dad, I want to get back into rolling. Oh! Wait, that's Pingu, right? Hypno Pingu, the Penguin King himself. Thank you for the 1,000 biddies, my brother. How are you, my bro? How are you? Happy New Year's. Oh. Hold on, I think baby is fighting with mother. fighting with your mummy. Hey? Wanna say hello to everybody? Nah, nah. Oh. What you reckon the dad's working? All good? Is that okay? I could hear you arguing from the window. Kai te aha ke koe. Te. Just want to come out for a nosy. What inspired you to do art? My uncle. In my culture, pretty much, brother. Is the main reason why I do everything from my culture today. Mia too. Go No? Just for, you know, you can probably see the contrast between me and her. Yes, she is mine. Yes, her mother is fair. Because your mum's half Maori and German, eh, baby? Mmm! Hey, baby. So, my two older girls are just as chocolate as me. And this is the Milky Bar, baby. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Go get her. I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Kakite. Her favorite toy. Her favorite toy, okay? That's her nickname too, Ducky. When she was born, she had a big upper lip, so I just called her Ducky. Goodbye. Give her a chisel, my friend. That is a dangerous thing to give a baby. Hey. You'll be that one scene in a scary movie. I'm gonna slash and cash. Yeah, let's not do that. Alright, you. Take you inside. Alright. Let us continue cleaning. Big cuddly bear. That's why my mascot's a bear, my bro. On you probably see it now and again on TikTok. So the ones who actually created one of my Twitch mascots was my two big girls. It's a legit a lime green bear with a sprout coming out of its head. Kia ora, Katie Ed. Luca Benza, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my breeder. Cool work as usual, keep it up. Thank you very much, Ivy, over on the tube. So yeah, let's continue to clean this up. We've got to do the insides here. Over here needs to come down a bit more too. What are you making? I'll just get the other example here so we can have it on the side. Body. So this is something we've completed and of similar shape to what we're doing. So that's a hay tiki as well. So the difference being with the one we're doing right now is obviously the timber itself. So we're actually carving pine. So that's what we're actually carving at the moment is pine pretty much. Like the only difference is with the one that we've done, it's hard timber. Sorry, time to change the music. I'm all wowed out.
This isn't just an
Oh, that's a YouTube ad. So that's pretty much something else that we've done. Hey, Happy New Year's, brother chef. So that one there is what we've done. And we're just doing one that is very similar, but obviously a bit bigger in scale. That one here. Hey, what's up those who stay? Looking forward to coming around regularly this year. Hey, when you can, my brother, when you can. Appreciate you for dropping in, brother. So that's one that we completed, and now we're doing another one. So the attempt for this one is that we are going to try and do one that is double-sided. That's the attempt that we're going to make with this one. Positive thought of the please big man, I'm a bit lost and struggling. Positive thoughts for today. And you're struggling a bit. You know, sometimes we need to struggle in life to become better than the person we were yesterday. The world can only make diamonds under pressure, my bro. And so sometimes one must weather the storm in order to become much stronger for themselves. Sometimes struggles in life is life throwing tests at us in order to make us stronger. But it's how we overcome those things, you know. The constant war we as men or males, sorry to the sisters out there that we face all the time is, you know, the war with our own thoughts. I have those days sometimes too. I'm not invincible to a bad day as well. Believe in yourself, my bro. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror and just look straight at yourself. That's the guy you need to focus on right there. It won't be easy. It doesn't happen overnight. But one small step is better than no steps at all. Oh, come on, you bloody boss. Oh, it's not locking. Ozman, what's up, brother? So you had a beer on the chat, man. Hope you had a great Christmas. Yeah, Christmas was pretty solid and chill, my bro. And I'll be honest, man, that's all I could ever ask for. I didn't really want anything too crazy for myself, but our kids got to spend their Christmas with their great-great-great-grandfather. And he met baby for the first time, And it was a cool, beautiful moment just to watch him talking to the baby a lot. Uzumi, thank you for the 28 months. Happy New Year's. Merry Chrysler as well. Hope you're doing well this year. Yeah, the years hasn't been too bad so far. Erland, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you, brother. Great grandfather. Well, yeah, he was a busy man when he was young, bro. Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. But yeah, genuinely grateful. At the same time, on my wife's side, my kids have 8 greats. So their grandfather actually has... Oh my days. What the fuck are you doing, chef? Why the hell would you tip 500? Chef, I need you to refund that right now. That is too much. You should not be gifting me $500 dono, my bro. Why would you do that? That is too much, bro. Oh my... What? Please, brother, if that was a mistake, and I hope it was, please make sure you refund it, please. That is to you and your fan, broski. Oh, I'll give it to them then. Oh my gosh, you did not have to do that much though. What are you doing? Genuinely, brother, I'm grateful. You know, very grateful, but oh my gosh, you should not be doing that, my bro. How you gonna buy gas and start singing Creed in your car? I heard new houses are oh my gosh. Wait, was it Creed you were singing in your car? I know it definitely wasn't Nickelback. I can't remember now. Bro, that bro. You are too kind, my bro. That is a crazy amount to donate, bro. Thank you very much, bro. I'll hold it in there, bro, for about a month or something, or I don't know, a year. If you ever want that back, just say, bro, and I'll give it back. It was Luz Capaldi. Oh, and well, I knew it wasn't bloody Nickelback. How's the house hunting going? Some of them are just out of our reach. Well, we're going to a mortgage broker and get a bit of an update. My wife goes back to work this year, so when she went on maternity leave, she only had it for so long, and I pretty much told her to take the rest of her maternity leave without pay, because if she went back, she was going to miss her brother's wedding, which is this month. So I just said, all good, do your thing. And yeah, his wedding is this month, and I think she goes back in 4 weeks. It's gonna be weird not having her at home, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you, Japeth, for the Mishka beer. Thank you, brother. Too fucking kind, bro. Hello from the East Coast, United States. Love your content. Happy New Year. Happy New Year there, Lord. Would that be... I don't know what major cities are on the East Coast. Is that like New York and all that? You know why that's my wild guess? Because, Tupac and Biggie beef. Aloha Scoop, how are you doing? I was gonna donate subs, but I realized that they only get half and wanted to... Too kind, brother. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. So I'm just getting a natural roll on this leg. Thank you, brother chef. Happy New Year's, Toko. Hey, Happy New Year's, Toks. Hope you had a solid one, my bro. Happy New Year's, Yago. Happy New Year's, love, the Hungry Jacks. I hope, you know, this year we get to collaborate with HoloLive or someone under HoloLive. That'll be pretty fun to do. Just to commemorate that moment from Streamer Awards. That'll be pretty funny to do, I won't lie. Happy New Year's. Thank you, Annie Toso, for the ice cube. And Brianna's with the choco strawberries. Ah, that'll be nice right about now, eh? What's your favourite song of 2025? Yeah, Glow by Glorilla. No. Nah, probably Small Hands by Teddy Swims. I was joking about the Glorilla one. I just said that to be a smart ass. Yeah, probably Small Hands by Teddy Swims. Yeah, go. Jump a little bit, the monkey Chanel, go. Yeah, go. My second daughter, she's a bit of a... She likes to test her ways, and she was playing that. I was like, do you want to get it? Do you think you're funny playing that song? Hey, Happy New Year's, Rebellion. Happy New Year's, my brother. Just want to say happy I started watching you back in the day, man. You're amazing. I hope you... Hey. All good, brother. All good. I'm glad you got a piece of home with you too, my bro. And I'm happy to have you here, brother. Straight up. You're good vibes, and I love all the food you used to be making. Are we getting a few chefs in the community? I love it, hey. I love the way you talk. I was gonna say something smart, but I decided not to. Chair from the Gold Coast. Hey, kia ora toko, all the way in the Gold Coast. What games do you play? Well, I do be indulging in World of Warcraft. Classic more these days. Overwatch. Arc Raiders. I do really enjoy doing GTA RP for the acting side of it all. And it gives me, you know, practice with voice acting at the same time. I have been getting into D&D lately, not actually doing the campaign, just playing some games similar to D&D, like the biggest one probably be BG3. I say this and put it on my chest, I only played that game for Karlak, bro, I'll be honest. Mama K all day. And I'm trying this other game, it's like, it looks more tabletop, like Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons. Are you in Oahu? Can we buy your work? I don't live in any of the kingdom. I don't live in the kingdom of Hawaii, brother. I stay down the bottom of the triangle, my bro. Down there in the south. But I would love to go to Oahu one day and offer my hands and help kind of Makua on his farm. Just for the experience and in the hopes to learn more about Kanaka culture. That's something I'd like to do. And you need to get a big stream going with the chefs. We all fly you over, bro. If I ever, you know, I won't count it out. If I ever get the chance to bring all the chefs from the stream into Rotorua just to cook, bro, that'll be cool. I'll probably get fat ass too. Probably. Genuinely hope everything going good in your life, bro. Hey, right back at you, brother Muffin Man. You too, my bro. I like to acknowledge everyone as well, not just me, man. Everyone that's listening, pretty much. I hope everything's going good with you guys' lives. While we all wait for GTA 6, hopefully it doesn't get pushed back by another year. Otherwise, I'm kicking some. No, I'm not doing that. I was gonna say, otherwise I'm kicking someone's nan's dog. But I thought about it and yeah, let's not do that. Isn't GTA 6 story mode for a year? I think so, I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. Okay. I don't know what's going on with the kick stream, it's frozen, so I'm check the sub gifted. Wait, what happened? My bloody screen froze for a bit there. What happened there? I think baby may have pushed the modem. I did miss some gifted, eh? Oh my gosh, my chat froze because I saw it come up on the screen. I was like, hey, 50. Thank you for the 50, bro. No more, please, bro. Don't do that anymore. Cover the D&D tab, I reckon it would be sick. I'd have to figure out how it would look, though. Thank you for the 50, bro. Brother Mojo? I'm so sorry, bro. My screen froze. Because I saw the prompt come up on the screen. Sorry about that, Brother Mojo. Thank you very much for the aroha, though. Oh, I feel bad. I feel bad. Technical difficulties, chat. Here's trouble. How can I help you? One, can you say thank you, Mojo, for the 50 gifted?
Thank you, Mojo.
Gotta say it loud so I can hear you.
Thank you, Mojo.
Louder.
Thank you, Mojo, for the
50 gifted.
50 gifts.
Cowboy, and say thank you, Pet, for the 100 roses.
Thank you, Pip, for 100
Roses.
roses.
Thank you, Brother Mojo. This is the one that does jiu-jitsu. You want to say hello?
Hello.
Don't touch the tools. Bloody hell. What's you up to? Are you bored?
Yeah.
Should we go for a walk?
No.
Oh, not that bored, eh?
No.
She was just saying thank you.
Oh, now the mother's coming.
Oh, now you want to talk the normal volume.
In the tutu.
Yeah, that's the normal volume of this child. She's the naughty one. You still doing the Heitsuki? Yeah, my bro. We're doing the second one. Sorry, Chad. I don't normally like to have the kids' faces on the screen, so. Hang on.
Chef tip $13.37. Buy a toy or something for Lil Broxini.
Hey, come here. Say thank you, chef,
Thank you, Chef,
for the $13
with the $13
and 37 cents.
and 37
Cents. Do you know who that's for?
No?
You. He said go and buy a toy.
Yeah.
You little shit. He gave it for you, not me, so I'm guessing we gotta go and get you a toy.
Yeah.
Little a-hole.
Okay, let's go right now.
No. How long have I been on for? Not that long. She's like this. Yeah.
Okay, now can I let's get a toy right now.
No, you gotta wait.
What he said, Chef said.
Yeah, Chef did say, but Dad said wait.
What is
How long have I been streaming for?
6, 7.
Oh, don't fucking say that.
6, 7.
Ah. Get out.
Get out.
Stupid numbers.
Stupid numbers.
You had a good New Year's? Yeah, bro, we did. She's stuck to my ass now, Chef. She won't leave.
Yeah. Hello.
Ah, get out the camera. Fuck yeah. Aisha, thank you very much for the 5 months. Yeah, she's stuck to me now. Get out.
My name is
she's
Dina.
Damn. Get out.
Get out.
Bro, your results already coming through Dungeon nicely, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, the titties ain't tittying that much anymore. They're getting refined.
Thank you, Chef, for getting me a toy.
See, she's in her annoying self now.
Ooh.
Stop touching.
Hello.
Oh, you can talk in the mic.
Who's talking to me?
You. Go and take this to the bin.
You had it and say you.
Got a wheelchair. Happy New Year's, my bro. Okay, how long have I been streaming for? No, I want to check if I've done 3 hours yet. Then I'll take it. Oh, man, only allowed an hour. Oh, I'm only at 140. Oh, okay. Well, piss off. She almost pushed me over. Yo, Mr. Tang, thank you for the 16 months, my bro. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, that was the rough one. Yeah. Oh, can I start carving?
No. No.
That reminds me of when I would annoy my old man and uncles.
They got spider in their room.
Who's got spiders in their room? Yeah, dirty long legs are good because they keep away with the white tails and the flies.
Blah 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 blah.
Too bad they don't keep you away.
Well, you're the biggest, so kill the cockroach and the spiders.
What are you talking about?
We need to eat the bill.
You're cooked.
You're cooked. Ah! Ah! Ah!
$4.20 to go towards that one brother.
Look, you just got $4.20 to go towards your toy fund.
Ah!
Yeah, hey, take some of that.
Ah!
Oh, I'm not giving you that, Chef.
Ah!
Nah, hell no. Are you
Ah! Move, ang sinandakan bala. Ah!
Oh my god, you nutcase. Are you watching One Piece 2? Yeah, brother, I am. No, I'm not showing you in the... Not to her, but for the rest of the fam. Oh, nah, that'll go to house fun. See, she's out the gate, eh? Wait a second. Hold on. No, put the chair back. No, get away. No, go away.
No.
You're not jumping on the camera.
Yes, I am.
No.
I want to see sheep.
Chef's on the screen, man. You can't see his face.
Ah.
Bro, this is not some father-daughter section, eh?
No, you're gonna.
No, I'm not. Get away. Sorry, TikTok, you can't see her face.
Ah.
Twice NZ being confirmed tomorrow, my bro. Oh, nice, brother, bro. She's trying to push me out of the way. Watch out, you might fall.
No, I want to do the shift.
No. Just put your hand over here.
Hello. Ooh.
Bro, chew with your mouth closed. You know.
Ooh, Chef said I can have 1,000 of toys.
Oh, shut your ass. Quinny, thank you very much for the roses.
Ah.
Oh, go away.
I got on the camera.
Don't care.
I don't care. Stop.
I think Mum's got a lolly. Fucking demon child. Thank you, Fatey. And Quinny. No, she's coming back. Hey, Delish, how you doing? Happy New Year's. Oh. I'm trying to carve, bro.
Well, I'm trying to carve too.
No one's here to listen to your mouth.
In my one care.
Hey, girl, come here now.
Take your dumb chair too.
Tom. Oh, hi, Tom.
Come on, stop being silly now.
Yeah, get.
Bye, Tom.
No, don't talk like that. Get inside.
Little shit. Happy New Year's, guys. I'm gonna go work on a couple farms for a bed and food for a couple weeks. Oh, nice, brother. Grind is real for VIP. Oh, what is it again? 69, 69, 69? Okay. How bad do you want it, bro? How well versed are you in the gaming world? Put you to the test. Okay. Who is better, LeBron or Faker? There is only one answer. Ah, get your fucking face in the window. This kid, bro. Happy New Year's, Ahmad. Happy New Year's, brother. Okay, let's just carry on while we're waiting. Been planning it since I was like 14 and soon 18 in school. Oh, true, brother. Bro, there'll be heaps of farm work here, bro. Straight up. There normally is. My cousin actually works on one too. But I feel like in this day and age, farmhands have always been looked for. Because you know what, the generation these days, they're really about that. About their life. But as someone who's worked as a farmhand as well, it's good. Terrified of spiders. Yo, Bailey, thank you very much for the swan. Kia ora, Bailey. Kaza, hello for being here, brother. Love you too. Kia ora, Angelina. What's the time? 2:15. Okay. Yeah, this kid will not let it up, so I have to honor the agreement and. Want me to get it? Yeah. Hey. Finish up soon. Wait. Happy New Year's as well, Tsukiyomi. Happy New Year's. I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. We had a pretty chill New Year's, my bro. It was a nice one, nonetheless. Pretty much me and my wife went to go and watch Avatar. I never really knew how smooth IMAX movies were. Also, chat, I bought the Avatar game, so that might be our evening game for a couple moments. I had one game of Dota last night, and holy cow, there's heaps of new heroes. Yo, Hazza! Thank you for the galaxy, my bro. Hello there, Daniel L. How you doing? Hope to bring her AD for 6 months. Yeah, I think all you have to do is declare it, eh? IMAX move, bro. They are smooth, eh? But yeah, I genuinely love the franchise, eh, Avatar. Jake Sully. Hey, Agro Tinakwe. Hey, thank you for the rose. I actually wouldn't mind going to watch it one more time. I think I might want to cut this down a bit here, because the arm is going inward. I feel like it should go more that way. What does BTW mean? By the way, bang the whales. That's why the sea is salty. I don't know. Blake, thank you for the roses, and Izzy as well. Yeah, by the way, bang the whales, up to you, really. Happy New Year's, brother Liam. Blake, thank you for the roses as well. Ano and Tahe Toka as well. Do, do. Gotta run. I'm gonna be running a giveaway on Instagram this month as well, chat. Just a little heads up. It's gonna be with actually, I'll keep it a surprise. I'll keep it a surprise. Good night, everyone. It's 2:20 AM. Good night, my friend. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep, my bro. Hazza, thank you very much, my bro. Thank you for the roses, brother. Thank you for the 64 roses, my bro. You're amazing, Sir Cinders. Right back at you as well. Oh, the fire from Cairns, my bro. Yeah, that's up the top of Aussie, eh? Cairns. Hey, much love, brother. Did not quite keep it unknown. Love from Newcastle. Hey, much love, brother. You're originally from South Auckland, but oh, true. Is it quite tropical over there, my bro? Over in Cairns? Because you're at the top, eh? I don't know if it's like from the photos that I've seen, but I feel like Cairns is like what Gold Coast thinks it really is. Nice, tropical, chill place. As opposed to everyone, you know, going 20 miles or 100 miles an hour in the Gold Coast. I'd probably only go to the Gold Coast just to take my kids to like the movie world. Rainstorm season now. Oh, shit. I'll be honest, I wouldn't mind that, eh? Whatever I want, whenever I want. Oh, shit. Cairns is sitting inside your what? Oh, weather. Yeah, I see you. Thank you, Pedro. Rainy season, eh? True, so you must get all those storms that's named after like a auntie you had like 3 generations ago. Hurricane Berta. Hurricane Catherine. Josh and Ron. It's all just in here now. Anyone else think he's the friendly Kiwi in the meme? Hello there, Scott Morrison. I could be just a slightly bit fatter. Still ripping the wires over here. Gee, looking forward to seeing what they get up to this year. Obviously, I still teams I'm gonna be watching most of this year. Still the Cowboys, the Warriors, and the Panthers. Jeez, oh, Broncos won last year, eh? That's right. Oh, someone's tired. I remember they won because the bro lost his shit when they won because he's been waiting for so long. Kansas Cowboys territory. Nah, the reason why I support the Cowboys is because that was my grandfather's team. Back in the day. And I used to always watch league with him. It was league, then rugby. Those were the things I used to watch the most of, and yeah. Yeah, Reese Walsh is in the Broncos. Or Toilet Man. And then eventually JT joined the mix and I was like, wow, this fella's the man. But I got one of the Cowboys players actually followed me on Instagram. Nanai. He followed me on Insta. And he's a Cowboys, one of the players for the Cowboys. Bro, the finals between the Cowboys and the Broncos in 20... Bro, that was such an insane clutch finals, eh? Especially when he went for that drop goal for the first time and he hit the pole. Fuck! I was howling, bro. That was a sick final, bro. Yo, brother Dram, happy New Year's. Oh, sorry if I missed you already. Alien are out here in the state of origin, but yeah, to get VPN. I've still never forgiven Hunt for that. Yeah, man, that was a crazy final, that one. Are you the person Jacinda visited? You are correct, my bro. Also today, I'm going to be dropping another episode of Carve It Up. I'll probably drop it later this evening. If I end up streaming the tonight too, we'll do it after the stream. Way to bring up angry memories. Yeah, I'm a fan of the Eagles and most of all Jordan, my bro. I want to find me a good store to get some sharpening stones from. Joe, young Aztec. It's been years since I saw you last. I'm glad to see you're still kicking on here. Hey, what's up, brother? Welcome back. Welcome back, my bro. Oh, Hazza. Sorry, bro. Thank you very much for the galaxy. Thank you very much for reminding me. I do tend to miss stuff when I'm chipping away. Thank you very much for reminding me, Dogo. And thank you to the brother Hazza for the galaxy as well. And Connor with the glow stick. Samoan or Kiwi. Maori, my friend. Polynesian. I finally found him. How are you, good sir? Sending love from Ireland. My friend, isn't it late in Ireland right now? Whereabouts are you from in NZ? So I come from a small town called Ruatahuna, but I'm also from Rotorua where I currently live as well. Bull, thank you for the roses. And Nate Little. Sorry, brother. Alright. Slowly getting there. I still feel like it's not clean enough. I recognize you from a YouTube video. If you haven't already, go through and follow the YouTube. I try and get 1 subscriber a day. Thank you to those that have already done that. That's where we will be uploading the next episode of the Carve It Up podcast. A little bit of Tauranga. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. Thank you for the raid, Eda. Thank you very, very much. Welcome on through to the stream. So to those wondering what we're carving, we're doing something similar to this, okay? So that's a hei tiki there. There we go. Oh, you're from Katikati. Oh, true. Yeah, so that's what we're currently working on right now. Oh, this one here. So this one is a bit smaller, as you can see. So that's yo, what up, brother Trash Panda? Happy New Year, brother. How you been? So you can see this one here, all done. This was one that I did for fun, just to see, do a bit of revision on doing a hei tiki to see if I could still do it. And the only difference with this one, I did the 2 different variants in one. So you'll see one side is much more square, the other side is much more round. And we did the design taratara akai along the top here. So this is the more traditional curvilinear styled pattern, the way we would do it. And then a more modern, like contempt way in the squarer side as well. So that was just for fun, and even in the face too. Like you can see with the curvilinear way we do it, we have that middle ridge in the face here. I dug it all out. Yeah, dug it all out. So we've done this, and we're doing another one, much bigger one. So this is pine and this is rata. Rata is a hardwood. This has been stained as well. This is rata here, so you can kind of see. I've had this mallet since 2015. So that one there. So yeah, I always keep this on the side just to show you guys a bit of an example of what we're currently doing. Fellow artists and your work. Oh, cheer about the trash. Do you stream your work on Grove Street, my bro? Would love to come and join in, my bro. Would love to come and join in on the streams, brother, and come watch you do your thing. One thing about pine chip, very loose. Very loose. Probably looser than the burnt peanut's throat after that one Big Mac that almost took his life. Koma, thank you very much for the 37 2026s, my bro. Okay, so with this section here, Wani brother, how's life treating you? Life has been slow and steady, the way I like it, my bro. Glad to see more bungulators. Good night. Good night. That's the way I say good night to the kids nowadays. And they love it. I don't let them watch Burnt Peanut too much. But they think he's funny. Goop, goop, goop. Hey, Mr. Silly. He's funny, bro. Yeah, when I do this VTuber stream this year, mine's just gonna be a fruit, eh? Not than my retirement. Oh, true trash bin now. What kind of art do you do, man? What's up, Paulie? Thank you very much, brother Bruce. Hello, question mark. How are you? Just getting rid of these rip marks. Yeah, I owe the stream one VTuber stream, but I'm gonna be that guy in order to celebrate that John Hololive moment from Streamer Awards. I'm gonna see who can do me a model, like a 3D one, kind of like Peanuts. I was just gonna use the potato filter from Snapchat, but I had an idea. Then I had an idea. Can't find you on Twitch, Brox _ my friend. You know, like all those dodgy porno bots on Twitter, how they say link in bio. Yeah, mine's in my bio, but it's actually something nice, not a virus. Paint on camera? Oh, nice! Will you do anime dress up for it? No, the only dress up I plan to have for it is Maximus's helmet on over the fruits. Alright, do you want to know what I want it to be? Okay. One of my favorite fruits, alright? If I was to have a VTuber model, it would most likely be a mango. I love mango. Mango is one of my favorite fruits. So it was a toss-up between that and a Fijoa. But I thought, you know, Maximus's helmet on a mango would look better with my eyes and mouth. So maybe we'll try and find someone that can cook that up. How's your carving coming along? Pretty nice, Jiggy. What you been up to? Did you go out for the day? So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a mango. But yeah, I ain't gonna make one of those flash airs ones. Like, what's her name? Crocodile Girl. They go all out for their ones, eh? Currently on my second half of my workout. Oh, what you training today? Haven't seen you in a minute. Jenny, I'm doing good, my brother. How are you? Just been chipping away, my bro. Chipping away, you know. It may be holidays for some, but unfortunately For me, it is not. Nah, it is, to be honest. After stream, I'm going to chill with my kids. And then I'm going to go train. So once we get all of this side clean, or this side, turn it over, I have to mark these out. Mark all of these, draw them out, draw the tiki again, and then we'll do the other side as well. So 50 minute fast pace walk, then straight kettlebell upper body. Oi, get it, girl. Hey, much love, the real Steve Pop, my brother. Much love, my man. I need to get this section out. I should have just routed that yesterday too, eh? Just get all of that out. Should I just do it now? Maybe. You have a good one too, Bloody. Go Birds, brother. Absolutely love this page. Hey, appreciate you, man. And saying that to TikTok. I may have to end the TikTok stream soon just because of battery, phone battery things. Get the rips out of here now. Thank you, Pakula, and also 61MD, and Pakula again. Thank you very much, guys. Alright, turn them around again. So all I'm trying to get rid of are these rip marks that you might see there. That's the one thing about pine, it rips quite easy. So I want to at least try and get those out first before we carry on doing something else. So yeah, I just want to make sure everything's good before we initially carry on with other stuff too. You doing anything today after this, of course? Yeah, probably just take the kids to the park. Just go and chill with them for the rest of the day, and then I'm going to go for a hike. I'm going to go and hit one of the tracks here. Might do a video while I'm doing it. I'm not going to set up a tripod and run past it and pick it up again though. I won't be doing a video like that. Why CBF? Cannot be asked doing those kind of videos. But yeah, I'll do up a video and just show everyone what I get up to. Jenny boy, have a good one, bro. Pakula, thank you very much for your awesomes and the donuts. Thank you very much, guys, for the 100k likes on the TikTok stream as well. Oh jeez. Where are you located? Rotorua, my friend. You been good though, Jiggy? You had a good New Year's and Christmas? Chillers live on TikTok. Pretty much, brother. I might have a cheeky game of Dota later. Try and get used to these new heroes. There's so many since the last time I played it. Thank you, Preston, for the roses. Seth, thank you very much for the roses too. Happy New Year's, brother Jabba. And thank you for the dinosaurs as well, brother Seth. Where am I? Over here. Oh. All these little 1%ers normally take the longest to do. Taylor Rose, hey, thank you very much for the shell energy. Okay. There we go. Whew. Go birds. We've kind of done all we need to on this side today. What say you guys? Shall we just finish the stream or chill out and have a yarn for now? You just want to have a yarn for the rest of the stream? What is the goat carving? We're doing something similar to this, my bro. Hey, Taylor. Thank you, Taylor, for the galaxy. Hey, appreciate you. Thank you very much. So this is something that we're doing, something similar to this. Appreciate you, Taylor. Alright, let's put the camera up for now, eh? Hey, what up, Bailey? How you doing, brother? So I just need to let my hair out, eh? To those that don't know, sometimes you just need to let your hair out, you know, let your hair relax. So you can kind of see there. So it'll most likely be that way. Leg. And then we gotta do the other side as well. Oh! Trash Panda! God damn, brother! With the 5,000 kicks. I have no idea what those do, my bro. Yeah, imagine having that much shoes, eh? Thank you very much, brother Trash Panda, for the Oroha. Damn, my bro, appreciate you. Hang on, let me move this to the side. Sorry about the AI moderator stuff. I don't know why they have that, eh? It's kind of annoying. I think for the rest of the streams on all three, we'll just relax for now, eh? Relax and chill out and talk to one another, if yous like. I think YouTube's gone a bit quiet too, so maybe we might finish that up just so we can play anything. Happy New Year's. Hope 2026 is a better one. Hey, right back at you, Looney. 100%. Thank you for your positive vibes. I appreciate the support, man. Straight up, Trash Panda. And also we got DJ Zuggs over on the Prime with the Jeffrey Bezos bucks on Twitch too. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, Zelda music, my bro. So normally with when I'm streaming on YouTube, I'll play game music because it's safe, eh? Because copyright is quite a big thing on YouTube as well. Hey, Happy New Year's as well. Hey, appreciate yours. My brother. Are all your pieces commissioned beforehand? Not all of them. Sometimes I just do them for practice. Thank you, Pakilo. Maybe the year you'll look into your Scottish heritage. Maybe. You never know. You might be my cousin. I even thought of doing Ancestry. That Ancestry.com thing, but you have to pay for it. And I don't know how much it costs. Or far too, my brother Hayden. How are you? How was your New Year's though, brother? Or how was everyone's New Year's? Happy New Year's, Ants. Happy New Year's. If I saw you, I probably would give you a hug. Oh, trust me, I've given everyone a hug or a handshake that I've met through streaming. Either. It's really up to you. Either way. What's up, Boss Mon? Happy New Year's, my bro. Riley? Is that your name? With Scottish flag and traffic lights? Happy New Year's from across the ditch. Happy New Year's, my brother. Happy New Year's. How's life going, mate? Yeah, pretty slow and chill. That's normally how I like my life to go, to be honest. Not 100 miles an hour. Have you got any resolutions? Yes, I have posted them up. I will post them up on TikTok as well. I guess one's for me is just continue my healthy eating, training, and also, you know, same thing with the kids too. Just be more active with them. Start getting into jiu-jitsu more for my girl's sake. And yeah, just being there for my kids and my wife as usual, pretty much. Those are normally the things, and obviously saving, because we may even look at a house this year. Ayo Dashi, it is me. How you doing? I'm still recovering, you should experience it. Is that like, you're still recovering, so you're hungover? So it's alcohol? Do you drink from like a big pint glass too? I would assume so. Aloha Joseph, how you doing? Thank you Trash Panda, I appreciate you, brother. Sir Tonka, kia ora, bro, thank you for the rose. How you doing? Happy New Year's, Razzleberry. Oi, okay. I'll be honest, I'm not much of a drinker these days. Have an amazing year. I'm going to bed now. Trash Panda, please come through to the streams when you can too. I'll be here all year. Much love and have a good sleep. My family is all over Kalua and Kona and all over Oahu. Oahu is the island I would like to go to the most. Because Oahu's the island where, I don't know how to say this, probably it's like where all the gardening or, you know, the harvesting goes down, eh? I'm not sure which island is, you know, has the most rich in culture, but I want to go and learn from you guys. Hey, much love history, and even offer my services to Kaina Makua as well, and go and work on his farm. What's up, Tippy? Oh, Taggy? Like her brother than booze. And my birthday are really the only time I drink. Yeah. Like, I think as you get older, you just become an occasions person. Can I ask for advice? What's up, brother? What's going on? You okay? How flat is... Okay, I'm just keeping an eye on my battery for the TikTok stream. Happy New Year, Brox. Did not expect to run into you here. What's up, Arvin? How are you, brother? Yeah, I've been on TikTok for a wee while now. I'm not sure how long, though. That's the thing. You're never alone. 100%. My grandma has pictures she was friends with Izzy over the rainbow. All over Naka. Oh, true. Your family is there. Yeah, where is it? And go to Makaha. Makaha is on Oahu, eh? Where you're so famous now. Fame is not something I normally care about. Sausage roll. Sausage roll would be nice right about now, but I'm in a calorie deficit. I'm sorry, sausage roll man. I must pass. I once got a DM. Oh, some wood chips there. I once got a DM from an Instagram account called Cheese. They sent me a photo, and I was disappointed because it wasn't a photo of cheese. Yo, MMV just gifted. Hey, appreciate you for the 1 kick, my brother. Thank you very much. Has the guy asking for advice messaged yet? I haven't seen it come through. Yet. Haven't seen you since Twitch. How have you been? Koj, I'm actually still streaming on Twitch right now too. Yes, I did. Okay, let me try and find it. You're a British sausage roll. Okay. Let me just go back and look for the bros thing. Prince Masuku. I have a... What's there? Is there like a donation thing? I don't know, bro. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about those types of things. I haven't been on for a while. Oh, you're all good, brother. Have you seen Maha around? Not lately. I know he's been at haka practice. But I'll be honest, I don't really go out and do things these days unless it's basically to go to training or haka practice myself. How are you? I'm good. Alts, thank you very much for the kapai. I'm tying my hair up now. Yeah, I don't really get out much unless it's just to go to the gym or for a walk. Hello, blast emoji. Yes, it's me. How are you? Sorry, our speaker went flat. Alright. Let me see what happened to our speaker. Yeah, we're kind of in our wind down period of the stream. We've kind of done all we needed to. It's all said and done. So we're kind of just in our wind down period now and just chilling out before we go our separate ways, pretty much. Yo, are you good? Yeah. Just our speaker went flat, pretty much. Thank God it's Tuesday by drinking. Wait, it's Tuesday for you? What is today? I don't even know what the day is. Cameron, Aussie sausage roll or New Zealand sausage roll? I don't know. I'll be honest, not much of a sausage roll indulger. Although I do want to go to the place, I don't know if anyone else has one. Apparently it's a world first. There is a pie vending machine here and I want to go and check it out. And it's in the place where I go do my walk as well. Happy New Year greetings from Russia. Privet, my bro. Hope you had a good New Year's too. Much love, brother. Much love. Yeah, we're just in a pie vending machine stream. Yeah, you might go check it out. I might just do a video. What's up, Jens 2.0? How you doing, brother? Please give me advice. What was your advice? Where are you from? So I come from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live in a town called Rotorua. More well known for Maori tourism, most of all. And the smell, which is all the sulfur. How I can make what? Yo, Kiddo7, thank you very much for the 10 roses. Here it is. I don't follow, huh? Yeah, I'll have to take a picture of it if I do stop at the place where I go for a walk, although I might do the harder one today, just to get a bit of a sweat up in. One thing I try and do every day is get 10,000 steps in every day. Preferably in the morning. Because when you've done that, hey, you feel good. Like it's even like training in the morning too. Yeah, but one of my my goals is to like try and get 10k in every morning. So are you trying to get people to follow your TikTok? Is that what you're trying to do? Start posting content. Make sure it's stuff that you like to do. Best thing you shouldn't do though is go into other people's lives or pages and say follow me kind of thing. That would be probably the one thing you wouldn't want to do. No? Huh? Rotorua's population is tiny. It's pretty much, yeah, it's not huge. But that's the one thing I love about Rotorua. It's not like Auckland. I'm really not a fan of Auckland, man. Hello, Oliver. I'm doing good, my bro. Yeah, definitely not a fan of Auckland, bro. That's yuck. Not a fan. Auckland traffic, yeah, bro. Do you watch NRL? Yeah, I do. Teams I've been following for ages is the Cowboys. Probably follow the Warriors this year and the Panthers. You watch UFC? Not that much. Yeah, not that much. I am from the North Island. One moment. One moment, I just gotta go check on my wife. My kid's getting cheeky. Alright, what's the time? Yeah. Yes, baby. Are you from Ngāpuhi? Forget? Nah, I'm not from Ngāpuhi, brother. Although, they did steal our canoe. Stefan IRL. Hey, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Thank you very much for the huge raid, brother Stefan. I hope you had a good stream. Kia ora, everybody. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And welcome through to the stream. We're just kind of in our chill out mode. This is what we've done previously. It's just showing some previous work. We did this Heitiki here. Yo, Brooks, how you doing? I appreciate you, sir, and love for all around the world. From your family. Cheer, brother. Incremental IRL on the tube. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, so we're currently making one of these. Well, a second one. But this one we finished last year. So I'm just using it as just to show you guys. Pretty much. But how was your stream, brother? Thank you very much. Obviously, I can see you do IRL. I haven't done IRL content in a while. But I do want to build my own stream pack again. Go Birds. Go Birds, man. Alright, TikTok, I'm sorry. I do. Miku, thank you for the roses. What is that profile picture, though? I do have to finish the TikTok stream now. It is getting very, very flat. So, for now, TikTok, I'll see you all tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Or maybe tonight. Oh, yeah, maybe tomorrow. Yeah. I have to finish the TikTok stream here because my phone's getting flat, okay? Have a good day. GG's. And I'll see you tomorrow. Choo-choo. Alright guys, I was just finishing the TikTok stream there. How are you guys doing? Thank you for the raid as well, brother. Hold up. Whew. Now my nose is clear. Hope the bro had a good stream as well. What IRL content was he up to today? Sorry, just one of those birds flew by. What time is it there? It is currently 3:06 in the afternoon. (3:06 in the afternoon, my friend. How are you? How are you? It's 9:08 PM here. God damn. Yeah, so we're about to finish up though, so gonna finish up soon. I gotta go and get my daughter at my mum's house. She's probably wondering where the hell I am. But hope everyone had a good New Year's. Is this the best VTuber org channel? How's it going, brother? I am John Hollow Life. How you doing, man? Good old John Hollow Live. Yeah, I gotta do a... What am I trying to say? I have to do a VTuber stream. But I want to get a model done. Not a like ridiculously expensive one. It's gonna be a mango with Maximus's helmet on. Well, that's the plan. Happy New Year to your fam, dude. Hey, thank you very much, brother. Happy New Year's to you too as well, my bro. Yeah, so the plan is to get a model done. I don't know from who, but we'll play it as we go. We'll play it as we go, chat. Okay. Do the cities of NZ have good nightlife? I would say Auckland and Wellington and Christchurch do, but I'll be honest, you are asking the wrong person, my bro. I'm 34 and I stopped clubbing when I was 25. Yeah, bro. But genuinely, I'd say all the major cities would have good nightlife. It's just a matter of trying to, find it for yourself. But yeah, my bro, that is not me anymore. It's not for me, I should say. Okay, let me pick these tools up and put them inside. I'm just gonna start planning some IRL content as well. Gotta start doing that too. And I'm actually excited to show you guys what do I have in store. And it's kind of falls in line with what I do anyway. Like in terms of just, showcasing my culture. That's always been the main thing that I've always tried to do with my Twitch channel, YouTube channel, etc. So yeah, there's 3 places that I want to showcase to you guys too. Okay. I know you've seen, yeah, I've seen Pez's one. But yeah, I guess I just got to try and figure out who can do a mango with Gladiator's helmet on. Well, that's the plan anyway. We'll see how that goes. It'd be cool if you can take it on and off too. But yeah, I have to find someone that can do that and kind of have talks with them about it as well. And I'll probably use it like forever, but not all the time, just occasionally. Alright. But it should be a fun thing to do because it's something I've never actually done before. How are we doing, guys? Is everyone on the wind downs now? If everyone else is starting to chill out, it's all good. I want to say thank you very much for tuning in today. Crazy amount of support today. Thank you to Chef for the $500 dono. Genuinely still shocked that the bro did that. And then brother Mojo with the 50 bomb as well. Sorry about the 10 bomb. And to everyone that have you ever made a mataora? No, I haven't. And to everyone that resubbed as well, to those that use their primes here, brand new tier 1s today, the raids too. Thank you very much for tuning in, and once again I hope you all had an amazing New Year's. Here's 2026. To all the goals that you guys have set for yourselves, smash them. Fucking smash them. I know you can. And I have goals for myself as well, and I'm gonna try and smash mine too. But I want to do it with you guys as well, along side by side with me. So we'll see how we go for this year, eh? Thank you very much for tuning in today. That is going to be us. Didn't quite hit our 3-hour marker, but I feel like I'm rambling on and wasting your guys' time since we're only just chatting. So for now, I want to say thank you very much to everybody. Have a good one. If I see you tonight, we will most likely be playing the Avatar game. Thank you for being an inspiration to my own goals. Best of luck on yours. Hey, smash them, brother. And all the best to you for this year too, my bro. Yeah, if I go live tonight, we'll most likely be playing the new Avatar game. I need you to know that I'm a big Avatar fan. And yeah, I'm going to give Avatar Frontier a go this evening. Love you, Jay. Hey, much love, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro, for watching on YouTube. So for now, peace out. Have a good one. And I will see you all later.